Imagine you're at a restaurant and you have to choose between two delicious desserts. One dessert is served hot with warm, gooey chocolate sauce that hits your taste buds immediately when it lands on the plate. The other is an ice cream sundae that's cold and refreshing, but requires patience for the sweetness to unfold as it melts in your mouth. These desserts are like Roth IRA versus Traditional IRA, and we're going to break down which one might be the better choice for you. Let's start with the basics. A Traditional IRA is a retirement savings plan where your contributions are tax-deductible today, but when you withdraw in retirement, those funds become taxable at that time. The Roth IRA, on the other hand, works the opposite way. You pay taxes now and then enjoy tax-free withdrawals later. Now let's debunk a common misconception. Many think that if they're in a lower tax bracket now, a Traditional IRA is the best choice because they'll save on taxes up front. However, this doesn't account for future tax rates or how much you might have saved by retirement. Consider Alice and Bob, both 30 years old with $5,000 to invest each year. Alice chooses Traditional IRA, Bob chooses Roth IRA. Assuming a modest annual return of 7%, after 30 years, Alice would have about $428,000 before taxes. Bob's Roth would yield around the same amount tax-free. But wait, let's add a twist. Alice faces a 25% tax rate on withdrawal, so her $428,000 shrinks to about $321,000 after taxes. Bob's Roth IRA remains untouched by Uncle Sam, leaving him with the full amount. So why does this matter? It comes down to your financial expectations in retirement. If you believe your tax rate will be higher later than it is now, a common expectation with growing wealth, the Roth IRA might save you money in the long run. Remember, this is a general education and not personalized financial advice. Your personal situation may require careful consideration or professional consultation to make the right choice for your retirement savings strategy. To sum it up, Traditional IRA lets you dodge taxes now, but could mean a bigger bite later. Roth IRA takes a hit up front, but offers sweet tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Both are excellent tools for building your nest egg. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video on how to make the most of your money. See you next time.